Looking for the best electric skateboards to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. JK King H2B. Our pick for the best entry-level electric skateboard. If you're looking to ride in style, the JK electric skateboard has you covered. Its sleek design features a clean wood center and convenient carrying handles, making it both attractive and practical. Made from a mix of 2-ply bamboo and 6-ply maple, it's flexible enough to handle bumps in the road, making your ride smoother. As for speed, it can reach a maximum of 16.7 miles per hour. While it's not built for racing, it focuses on safety. The dual 350W motors provide enough power to handle different terrains, so you can ride with confidence. The skateboard also has a waterproof grip tape surface that keeps you stable, even in wet conditions. Weighing just 12 pounds, it's light and easy to carry, making commuting a breeze. It can support riders up to 210 pounds, so it's suitable for a wide range of people. The best part? It's affordably priced, making it a great choice compared to other boards in its category. If you're looking for a fun, safe ride without breaking the bank, the JK King H2B is the perfect pick. Get ready to elevate your ride and start your next adventure. Number 4. Voyager Nutrino. Our pick for best electric skateboard for commuting. Are you tired of commuting like it's the Stone Age? Say hello to the Nutrino, your new trusty sidekick for navigating urban jungles. At just 9 pounds and 30 in long, this electric skateboard is so compact, you'll wonder if it's a loyal pet rather than a ride. You can stash it under your desk, slide it into your locker. It's the ultimate low-maintenance commute companion. Now, let's talk speed. While the Nutrino's top speed of 12.5 miles per hour isn't breaking any land speed records, its agility is where the magic happens. Maneuver effortlessly through crowded streets, making traffic jams jealous as you breeze past. Quick stops and sharp turns, no problem. The Nutrino caters to all riders, from total newbies to seasoned pros. Thanks to its adjustable modes, tailor your ride to suit your skill level and strut your stuff with confidence. Powerful? You bet. With a dual 350W motor and a weight capacity of 200 pounds, this board packs a punch without compromising on style. It's more than just wheels on the ground, it's a game changer for your daily grind. So, gear up, unleash the freedom of gliding effortlessly through your errands and transform your commute into a thrilling adventure with the Nutrino by your side. Still searching for the perfect electric skateboard? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Meepo V5. Our pick for best stability electric skateboard. Are you ready to elevate your ride? Meet the Meepo V5, the electric skateboard that combines smooth sailing with serious style. With its impressive 38-inch deck made from 8 layers of Canadian maple, this bad boy isn't just a pretty face, it's durable and flexible enough to handle your wildest adventures. Weighing in at just 8 kilograms, you'll feel like a pro as you effortlessly carry it thanks to its nifty handle deck. But don't let the lightweight fool you. This skateboard packs a punch with dual 500W hub motors that let you zip along at a thrilling 28 miles per hour. Whether you're cruising through college or catching up with friends, you can cover up to 11 miles of ground. Worried about stopping on a dime? Fear not. With a state-of-the-art ESC and M5 remote, you'll enjoy smooth braking in 4 riding modes, including the user-friendly LO mode that's perfect for beginners. And let's not forget, this skateboard is IPX5 waterproof, so a little drizzle won't put a damper on your fun. Charging your ride is a breeze, too, with a safe and speedy 1.5 amp charge that takes just about 2.8 hours. You'll be back on the streets in no time. So, are you ready to unleash the thrill of the Meepo V5 and transform your daily commute into a joyride? Buckle up, it's going to be a blast. Number 2. Meepo Mini 3S. Our pick for best cruiser electric skateboard. Are you ready to elevate your cruising game? Meet the Meepo Mini 3S, your ticket to shredding urban landscapes with style and flair. This sleek blackboard isn't just an electric skateboard, it's your new best friend that magically turns boring commutes into adrenaline-packed adventures. With a dish-shaped deck designed to cradle your feet, think of it as a cozy hug for your shoes. Your ride will be as controlled and responsive as a well-choreographed dance, and those sharp turns, you'll tackle them like a pro, thanks to the handy kicktail. that glides over bumps and cracks like they're mere afterthoughts. Powered by dual 540W motors, you'll rock it to a jaw-dropping speed of 29 miles per hour. Yep, you heard that right, it glides so smoothly, you might just wonder if you've been transported into an ice skating rink. At 30 and long and a feather-light 18.5 pounds, the Mini 3S is the epitome of portable. Slip it under your desk, stash it in the overhead compartment on trains, or carry it like a trophy after conquering the streets. With the innovative 5th-gen Shredder 45 degrees truck, stability and responsiveness come together in perfect harmony. So, grab your Meepo Mini 3S and get ready to ride like never before. It's time to unleash your inner thrill seeker. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Backfire G2. Our pick for best electric skateboard overall. Are you ready to take your commute to a whole new level of cool? Meet the G2 electric skateboard from Backfire, your new best buddy on wheels. With a deck that flexes like a yoga instructor and monster 96mm wheels, you'll glide smoothly over bumps and cracks that used to feel like the Grand Canyon on your daily trek. Feel the thrill as those dual 400W motors kick in with silent power. No roaring engines here. You'll enjoy quick acceleration that'll make you feel like a superhero, and when it's time to slow down, the smooth deceleration keeps you balanced. Like a pro, your trusty remote control doesn't just let you steer, it's also your personal dashboard displaying battery life and speed, because let's face it, no one wants to be left in the dust or worse, stranded. And for the first-timers out there, fear not, the G2 comes with knee pads. Think of them as your safety net, turning your ride into an adventure instead of a wipeout video. With a top speed of 24 miles per hour and a weight capacity of 240 pounds, this skateboard is the life of the party. Accommodating all kinds of riders, weighing in at just 17 pounds, you can easily carry it or stash it away when you're done. So, are you ready to elevate your ride and snag some serious style points on the streets? The G2 is waiting. Whoa! We made it, that's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best electric skateboards. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which electric skateboard you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.